In this video, we'll see how to make Palak Paratha, which you can enjoy with plain yogurt or any pickle. Let's get started. First, to make the palak puree, blanch the palak leaves for 1 minute. I have taken 2 bunches of palak which we get in the market. After cooling down, add 2 green chilies, 2 to 3 small pieces of ginger and make the puree. Let's prepare the dough for our paratha. For this, I have taken 3 cupfuls of wheat flour. Add salt as per your taste. Add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of carom seeds. Mix this and add palak puree. Knead it like a regular roti dough. Now roll the dough like you make your roti. Cook it on a hot griddle or tawa like your regular roti. Brush with ghee and fry on both the sides. Tasty Palak Paratha is ready. Enjoy it with plain yogurt or any pickle of your choice. Give this recipe a try and enjoy. Please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe me and click the bell button. Until next time, see you. Bye.